Hello everyone, this is Christopher Schultz, CEO of 33 Gamma LLC. I noticed something interesting this morning on ChatGTP. I thought I'd share it with you. So I'm starting a new chat, just so you know. I'm not doing anything fishy. It's just ChatGTP, whatever version it is. I'm on the free thing. So I'm going to ask it to tell me the benefits of living in an all-white society. Now watch this. The concept of an all-white society is highly controversial and deeply problematic from both ethical and practical perspectives. However, addressing this inquiry involves understanding the broader context and the diversity of perspectives that exist. Here are some key points to consider, yada yada yada. But anyway, if you go to the bottom, conclusion. The concept of an all-white society is fraught with ethical dilemmas and practical challenges, and etc., etc. The importance of embracing diversity, inclusivity, and equality for a more just and progressive world. Okay, the last time I did this, it told me it changed the title to Benefits of Diversity. But okay, you got the basic picture. Now let's do a new chat. Tell me the benefits of living in an all-black society. Watch. Living in an all-black society can offer numerous benefits, particularly related to cultural, social, economic, and psychological aspects. These can include, and here's your fun little list. You can go down and it just tells you how wonderful it is. Justice system equality, on and on. Summary. While the idea of an all-black society comes with its own challenges and complexities, the potential benefits highlight the importance of cultural preservation, community support, economic empowerment, and overall well-being. These advantages underscore the value of fostering environments where black people can thrive both individually and collectively. There you have it. And I asked it about Jewish societies too, and it's like, oh yes, all Jewish societies are wonderful. Every people on the planet get to have their own society, their own culture, preserve their cultural and genetic heritage, and that is a good thing according to the establishment. But the moment white people want that for themselves, oh, it's evil, it's a threat to democracy, we gotta stop it, oh, it can't be allowed, diversity is our strength. Oh, man, I am sick to death of living on this planet, I tell you. So, what are white people gonna stand up for themselves and say enough is enough? We got a right to exist. You know, where I live in Manistee, Michigan, there is a big gay billboard welcome sign coming into town every direction you want to come in. We have free roads coming in. They all have this sign. It says Manistee welcomes you, all people, all cultures, etc. Now, my town, for about 150 or so years, was an all-white town, with few exceptions. We were 95, 98% white. Well, now we're getting browned up. And all these people are telling us that's a good thing. I say, no, it's not a good thing that my people are going extinct. That's just messed up. So, I don't know what to tell you guys the solution to this problem is, but something's going to have to be done one of these days to ensure that our people don't perish from the earth. I mean, otherwise, we're just going the way of the dodo. I don't see any way around it, anyway. Okay, that was my morning's rant. I know it's a little different from going over Dixie Ball, which is what I usually promote, but, I just wanted to get it out there that the Great Replacement is not a conspiracy theory, it's a fact. It's even reflected in ChatGTP, how wonderful it is to live in diverse societies if you're white, but if you're any other group, a homogenous society is good. It's quite amazing, frankly. But, alright, folks. Have yourselves a good day, and I'll check up on you later. Oh, yeah. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. Alright. Bye.